about the fourth principle, is my model out of context and irrelevant? Now, selection of the right variables play a very vital role in building data models. And it's an over-reliance on a single technique or a single variable which can create problems in the outcomes, or which it will be difficult to explain the outcome of a model. Now, here I'm taking an example from India. This particular study or model was presented by Niti Aayog member, and as per this data model, the number of new cases were supposed to be zero uh, on the daily basis in May 16th. So I'm talking about the black trend line here. It goes to zero after the lockdown, but we all know it didn't happen. The cases are still rising. Now, this model is so opaque that it did not even allow any of the external experts to evaluate the assumptions, which is actually a critical component of the model. And they had an over reliance on a single variable, which is doubling rate. And not even India, most of the countries, they had this obsession with the doubling rate, wherein they were very happy about doubling time of COVID cases in countries have improved. And this graph we have seen in many of the publications, that doubling time in all the countries is improving. So we should be happy about it. But what we were not understanding, that doubling time is really a very crude measure, and it's always measured on a relative scale. So if we need to prioritize our resources, if we need to allocate the resources, we need to know about total case counts, we need to know about hospitalization counts, we need to know about the people who will need critical care. So just talking about the doubling rate and building a model basis it, we are not even able to double the number of hospital beds or healthcare facilities. So we were just happy about these models that the number of new cases will go down after the lockdown or in future, which actually didn't happen.